Hey guys, this is Matt here. And yes, the Samsung S9 trailer was just leaked. It was a Slashleaks and Everything ApplePro reported about it. Their videos are linked in the description. Now many of you may disagree with me, but it seems like by looking at the trailer we can come to the conclusion that Samsung is trying too hard to make a boring phone upgrade an exciting one. It seems like this boring S9 is being touted as not having amazing upgrades, not having amazingly new design, and not having amazing specs, but still being worth upgrading to. I'm not too sure if many of us would agree. But let's look at the trailer. So the phone looks exactly the same. This was a known fact after the leaks a few weeks ago of the pictures online. Now, except for the internals and the camera, according to all the leaks so far and according to this trailer, it seems like the internals and the camera would change, but the externals would look very much the same when you compare it side by side with an S8 or S8 Plus. Yes, the processor is better. There's a newer Qualcomm one. The screen is the same, the fingerprint reader is the same, maybe in a better position after they have moved it to the center so that you could reach it better as compared to the S8, but it still is the same hardware. The only reason I think anyone would want to upgrade to an S9 would be because of the camera. And this trailer was very disappointing in that regard. The trailer does not have, except for a short glimpse of the camera at work with the dual aperture, nothing is mentioned other than other features that frankly we don't give a damn about. Except for a short glimpse of the camera dual aperture at work, nothing much is mentioned in this trailer. I hope that the main announcement tomorrow has more details about the camera. I would have liked to see more of the dual aperture camera in this trailer. It seems like Samsung is trying to make a boring upgrade of a phone into an exciting one. There's not much I can see here that warrants an upgrade from an S8 or S8 Plus to an S9. Not in this trailer anyway. Now, I'm not too sure what Samsung is doing in terms of the content of the trailer itself. It seems to me like they're concentrating a lot on the business side of things. The number of graphs showing up in the duration of the trailer, like graphs, charts, pie charts all mixed up, I counted them to about 12. And that's just what I could notice. And this is just a trailer. I can imagine that the main focus of their announcement tomorrow would be to do with the business features of this phone as opposed to actual hardware upgrades. I'm not too sure how that would tie up in terms of people who have been like loyal Samsung Galaxy fans or users for years and who want to get a new phone when the new one comes out. Not too sure how that helps, because it seems like Samsung is forcing itself to make a boring phone update exciting by shifting the focus from the actual specs of the device to business features that frankly most of their users don't care about. I am sure that many of you will disagree with me in the comments when I say this, but I think that Samsung is getting it wrong this time. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with what I said? Leave a comment below and I will answer you, and please consider subscribing or liking the video if you do like it. Thanks guys.